So I went ahead and laid out the rim strip, tube, and the tire with the rear rim. It's the cassette. I already put one together. I realized from the first one that I had a little bit of a hard time putting on my rim strip. So what I'm gonna do is take the inner tube, take the cap off, stick the inner tube piece through the rim strip, and then these rims came with rim strips, but I'm putting these other ones on. Quickly, see what happened was that it folded up on itself a little bit. So basically you keep pushing it. Tube in your tire. There we go. Even it out so that when you fill it up, you don't get any kinks or knots. Get this inner liner in first, the inner liner of your tire, so you don't have to get them both in at the same time. Just get the rear one in, and then the front one will be a lot easier to get in there. See, look, now I have that one in. Now just getting the front in is the next part. Shouldn't be that hard. And there we go, it's all in. So I'm gonna say it right now, I have no idea what I'm doing with these brakes. I've been working with them for a little bit, trying to get it apart, but I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna loosen the back a little bit and see if I can get this cord out, and I'll show you in a few minutes where I am. All right. So I got the back loose. I undid the back, pulled off the rear brake pull, and then it loosened here. Then I pulled it through a little bit and was able to get the end of the brake cord out of the brake, and then pull the lever out. Now I have to get this apart, and then I should be able to install my white cord. Well, I had no luck and wasn't able to finish my brakes. Ended up having a piece break, and then I lost another one, so project's gonna wait for another time.
Thank you and good night. Take care of yourself.